Today, we're going to explore an exciting step-by-step process to generate passive income by creating and sharing engaging quiz videos on social media platforms like Instagram. This method is perfect for beginners, as it doesn't require technical skills or expensive equipment. By leveraging the power of AI tools, you'll discover how to create stunning videos in minutes and monetize them using affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Step 1. AI-driven content creation. The foundation of this process lies in AI-powered tools that make content creation fast and effortless. We'll start by using a tool called Gravity Write to generate quiz questions. All you need to do is choose a topic, set the difficulty level, and specify the number of questions, and the tool will do the rest. It even provides keywords to help you find relevant images. Once you have your quiz content, it's time to bring it to life visually. For this, we'll use Canva, which offers pre-made video templates. These templates allow you to easily incorporate your questions, images, and answer options into a professional-looking video. For voiceovers, we'll use 11 Labs, a popular AI tool that produces high-quality voice narration. It's fast, efficient, and gives your video a polished feel. The best part? This entire process takes just a few minutes, making it a game-changer for creators like you. Step 2. Simplified video creation process. Here's a quick overview of how we'll create your quiz video. Generate quiz questions. Start with Gravity. Write to create engaging questions and gather image keywords. Design visuals in Canva. Use a template to customize your video with questions, stock images, and multiple-choice answers. Add voiceovers. Use 11 Labs to generate a professional voiceover for your quiz. Add music. Include background music in Canva to make your video even more engaging. By the end of this step, you'll have a high-quality, ready-to-share quiz video. Step 3. Social media distribution. Now that your video is ready, it's time to share it with the world. We'll focus on Instagram Reels, which is perfect for short, interactive videos. You can also expand to TikTok and YouTube for even more reach. To make your videos more discoverable, Gravity Write can generate captions tailored to your content. These captions not only enhance engagement, but also improve your video's visibility on social media platforms. Step 4. Monetization. Through affiliate marketing. Here's where the magic happens. Monetizing your videos. We'll use the Amazon affiliate program to earn commissions. It's simple. Choose products related to your quiz topic and include affiliate links in your Instagram bio. For example, if your quiz is about fitness, you might recommend workout gear, while a tech-related quiz could feature gadgets. To manage multiple affiliate links, you can use tools like Linktree, which makes it easy for your audience to access your recommendations. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Additional tools and resources. To take this method even further, we also highlights Gravity Write's AI blog writer to create related content and drive more traffic. WebSpace Kit for building a WordPress site to establish your online presence. Why this method works. This process is designed to be beginner-friendly, no prior experience or fancy equipment needed, time-efficient. AI tools make video creation incredibly fast and simple, globally accessible. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So, there you have it. A beginner-friendly, AI-powered strategy to create engaging quiz videos and monetize them through affiliate marketing. By following this step-by-step process, you'll be tapping into current trends, saving time, and building a scalable income stream. The best part? You're helping your audience while earning money from the comfort of your home. Get started today and take the first step toward financial freedom.